Welcome back to Learning Muay Thai with Kru Hemanth Kumar, a 3-time World Championship bronze winner, with over 30 years of training experience. You have arrived at combination 9 of pad work. In case you missed the previous combinations, we'd suggest navigating and watching those videos now.
Hi, I'm Kru Hemanth Kumar from Masters Muay Thai Academy. Along with me, I have my student Ganesh and Malik, and we'll help you learn the next technique, which also involves a push, a series of elbow attacks, push and finish the low kick. Ready, Ganesh? Let's see. Please position yourself. All right. The first elbow is a side elbow from the rear hand, followed by the cross uppercut from the lead hand, side elbow again from the rear, push, and then follow the low kick. Yes. Pushing is allowed. Pushing is allowed in Muay Thai. But in the ring, after you push, you have to show a counter. If not, referee will give you a warning. Alright? But not in street fight. But it's advantages in both the sides. Ready? Side elbow, uppercut, side elbow, push, and low kick. Good. Alright? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Push. Push. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yep, yes. 4. Good, good, good. Good timing. Good. 1, 2, 3, and push and kick. Good. That's the first technique where a push is involved. But remember, after the push, you have to complete with the counter. It can be anything: kick, punch, elbow, or knee. Good enough. Good. Let's now go for the second technique. Ready, Ganesh? Ready, Malik? In this, you will witness 4 cross uppercut elbows, and you would finish with a straight knee, being in a clinch. Clear? So let's position ourselves first. All right. Okay. Right. Ease up. Breathe out. 1. That's a cross uppercut again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Clench and knee. Okay, let's go again. Ease up. Stay on the ball of the foot all the time. Ready? Guard up. Ready? 1. Go back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now, if you see this without the pad work, you get a more clear vision. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now, this is what you need to be aware of. Elbow, cross uppercut does not start from the outside, but it comes from the inside. It comes from the inside. It doesn't come from the outside. You need to be aware of this. Clear? 1. Yes. 2. Please go back. 1. Go back. 2. 3. Please go back. 1, 2. Repeat the same elbow. Okay. 1. Go back. 2, 3. Okay. Now don't turn the body away. While doing the elbow, be firm and go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then you clinch a knee. Ready? Come into position. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, little bit higher. 1. Get a guard up. Go back. Get a guard up. Guard up. Guard up. Elbow guard up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and clinch a knee. 5. Again, get a elbow guard up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Elbow from inside. Get the guard up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and easy. 5. Gotta be easy. Easy. Ready? Breathe and easy. 1. Ease up. Go back. Ease up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. That's how this particular technique looks like. Need to train more to get it handy. Great. You will now see the last technique for this episode. It will be a walk across downward elbow finishing with the reverse side elbow to the head. Ready, Ganesh? Ready, Malik? Good. Let's come into the position. We again break the techniques in two parts. Walk across and downward first. Ready? 1. Good. Okay, now when you're doing the walk across and the downward elbow, ready? 1. Okay. Ready? 2. Up. Okay. 3. Okay. This is the first part of the technique. Second part, the reverse side. Bam. Ready. Let's go for the first part. 1. Okay. Second part. Reverse side. Reverse side. You go. Reverse side. Ready? 1. 2. Okay. 1. 2. Okay. 1. 2. Okay. Now let's see the technique on the pad work. Ready? Here, please. Okay, you walk back when the attack comes in. Ready? Ready? 1. 2. Good. 1. 2. Yes. 3. Okay, now 4 and 5 will be one floor. You walk across, break and finish. Ready? Ready? Breathe. Ease up. 4. Okay. 5. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Hey, good. Good. That comes to the end of this episode. Please do like and share our videos. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.